guys, welcome back to our channel. Another unboxing day. Of course, I'm hoping for a secret and not a duplicate. Actually, I'm a bit nervous to unbox this. This is the cons of not buying a full set. But we have to unbox this. So without further ado, let's start. By the way, guys, I bought this online. It arrived 8 days after placing my order. No more talking, let's start. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous, hoping that this is not duplicate. Fingers crossed. This is it! Let's open slowly. Oh my gosh. Let's open this first, so when I get a duplicate, I will sell it. Ha 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 ha. Who do you think is this? Can you make a guess? Here you go. Let's close our eyes. Let's count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It's Hello Kitty. I'm jumping for joy, guys. Glad I didn't get a duplicate. Let's check her now. Yay! Hello Kitty! So this is her gun. She's so pretty. I think that 2 little girls on the side are very happy to see Kitty. Guys, don't skip watching until the end of the video. Hiromi said they will dance for us. Ha 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 ha. You're so pretty, Kitty. She's more prettier now. Hello, Molly. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Help us get more subscribers. Watch my shorts dancing Molly to watch the APT dance. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.